This will be a full step-by-step tutorial on how to open up a Roth IRA with iTrustCapital. That way you can buy and sell crypto tax-free. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. If you guys haven't heard about iTrustCapital, it is an amazing platform that allows you to open up a traditional or a Roth IRA where you are able to invest into crypto tax-free. As you guys know, if you are buying and selling crypto on Coinbase, on Gemini, on Binance, on KuCoin, or whatever other exchange you are using, every single time you buy and sell crypto, that creates a taxable event. So at the end of every single year, you have to pay taxes on the gains that you have made. But with the Roth IRA with iTrustCapital, you'll be able to buy and sell as much as you want. You do not have to worry about creating more taxable events simply because in a Roth IRA, you can buy, sell, and make as much profit as you want tax-free. That is the power of a Roth IRA. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys a full step-by-step tutorial on how to open up your first crypto Roth IRA with iTrustCapital. That way you can take full advantage of all the benefits that a Roth IRA offers. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be making a lot more videos on iTrustCapital, on Roth IRAs, all the pros, all the cons, and ways to take full advantage of all the benefits. So make sure you stay tuned for those videos. And now let's jump straight into it. So the first step to signing up is clicking on the link in the description box below. That is my affiliate link. But if you use that link, you will get $100 absolutely free after you fund your account. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the iTrustCapital website where you are able to create your account. As you can see, they have amazing ratings, over $5 billion in transactions, which is amazing. And then it will show you some of the benefits, but the biggest one of them all is the tax advantages. Self-trades are tax-free in a IRA. Also 24/7 trading and low costs. Also, they have institutional grade crypto custody, protected by Coinbase Custody, the world's leading institutional cold storage provider, also by Fireblocks. And here are the crypto assets that you'll be able to invest in a crypto Roth IRA. They have Aave, Algorand, Avalanche, Axie Infinity, obviously the big dogs, Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Chainlink. They also have Atom, which I'm a big fan of, the one and only Dogecoin, Engine, Ethereum, Polkadot, Matic, Shiba. There's a ton of coins to choose from. Also physical gold and physical silver. They also supported XRP, but due to the lawsuit, they had to delist it. But I'm positive once XRP wins this lawsuit, you'll be able to hold XRP in your Roth IRA. All right, so the next step is to click on Open Account in the top right corner. Once we click this button, it will start the official app. In this step, you are going to create an account for iTrustCapital. So for username, we're going to put The Clever Millionaire. All right, email, whatever your email is, you're going to put it there. Also your real phone number, and you are going to create a password. So once you have filled out all of this information, you are going to check this box right here, and you are going to press Create an Account. So once you have confirmed your email and you have logged into your account, your dashboard should look something like this. On the left side, you'll be able to see your assets, history, documents, all of that important information. And then on the right side is where you will see a tab that says Get Started, Start My Application. That is where we will click next. That will bring you to this page where they will ask a ton of personal information, such as your first and last name, your previous address, date of birth, country of birth, and your social security number. Also, guys, make sure to put in the correct information. This is literally your application to open up an IRA. The government already has all of this information. You're pretty much just verifying it for them. And then it will ask you for your contact information. This is where you put in your phone number and your address. Very simple. Once it is complete, you're simply going to press next. The next step is to upload a government issued ID. The easiest way to do this is by taking a picture of your ID or your driver license from the front and the back. And then you simply upload it and you will be done with this step. In step number 4, you will select the type of account that you want to open. You can open up a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, a SEP IRA, or an inherited traditional IRA. Personally, I will be opening up a Roth IRA. This, in my opinion, is the one that offers the most benefits, and you'll be able to fund it with your own money. Also, the Roth IRA has some of the lowest fees, and in my opinion, it is the best one to go with. So personally, I will be choosing the Roth IRA. But obviously, do your own research and pick the one that is right for you. If you're a small business owner, the SEP might be for you. But in my opinion, the majority of people watching are going to go with the Roth IRA. Also, you are able to apply for multiple accounts. So if you want the Roth IRA and you want the traditional IRA, you'll be able to apply for both. Once you have made your selection, simply press next. On this step, it will ask you how you will fund your IRA. You can do an IRA transfer if you already have one with a different platform. You can roll over your 401k from your employer. So if you have a 9-to-5 job and you're contributing to your retirement and you have some money built up, you can pretty much roll that over and use that money to invest in your new Roth IRA. Or you can simply do a cash contribution. This is where you simply transfer money from your bank account into your Roth IRA. But keep in mind, there is a maximum of $6,000 per year and $7,000 if you are over 50. So keep in mind, if you are going to go the cash route, you will only be able to deposit $6,000 every single year into your Roth IRA. That is the standards the government has set, and that is the maximum amount that we can contribute. I know $6,000 is not a lot of money, but you'll be able to buy and sell crypto, grow your position even more. And who knows, you can turn that $6,000 into $10,000, into $20,000, possibly even into $50,000 tax-free. So over time, you'll be able to grow your position. And guys, you do not have to deposit the $6,000 at once. You can deposit $1,000 this month, 2 months later deposit another $1,000. It is all up to you. Personally, I will be doing a cash contribution, so that is the one I will select, and we are going to press next. And then it will give you a couple of options on how you can fund your account. You can do a wire transfer. It takes 1 to 3 business days. An ACH electronic debit, which I'll be doing, takes 5 to 7 days. Or you can send a check, which takes 3 business days from the date it was received. So select your option and press next. So depending on the option that you chose will determine your next step. I personally chose option number 2, so I will be connecting my bank account using Plaid in order to make my initial deposit. So once your bank account is linked, you'll be able to make your first deposit into your crypto Roth IRA. So as you can see, I'm depositing $1,000 for the tax year of 2022, contribution type by myself from my savings account, and the purpose is retirement and making as much money as I possibly can. Right now, I only invested $1,000, but I will be maxing out my entire Roth IRA, and I will be depositing the full $6,000 that I am allowed for this year. Also, keep in mind, guys, the money that you deposit into your Roth IRA is your money. You can pull it out whenever you want with no fees, with no tax penalties whatsoever. Keep that in mind. So if you deposit $5,000 today, tomorrow you can withdraw that money to your bank account with no fees, no issues whatsoever. We're going to select the 2 check marks and we're going to press next. And then for the final step, you can add a beneficiary to your account. This is in case something happens to you and you pass away, your beneficiary will get the funds. For example, you can put your parents, your spouse, or your children as your beneficiaries. And boom, we are all set. We have officially applied for a crypto Roth IRA with iTrustCapital. See, it wasn't that hard at all. And now we are back inside of our account. And as you can see right here, we have $1,000 that is pending. Hopefully the next couple days it will clear, and then we'll be able to use this money to invest in crypto in our Roth IRA. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be making another video showing you what coins I'm buying with my first $1,000 in this crypto Roth IRA. So stay tuned for that video. And if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer and help out as much as I possibly can. And remember, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.